You can get away with this.
No way.
You will have to answer for this.
No way.
You just can't go on and on with your standards against the man of God.
He claimed to be Son of God. I challenge you. Where in the Bible that said, Jesus, I am the Son of God? Hindi porket Son of God ay Diyos na. Ano sabi ni Kristo?
Aklat ni Juan, Kabanata 20, 17 taludtod. Sinabi sa kanya ni Jesus, huwag mo akong hipuin, sapagkat hindi pa ako nakakaakyat sa Ama. Ngunit pumaroon ka sa aking mga kapatid, at sabihin mo sa kanila, aakyat ako sa aking Ama, at inyong Ama, at aking Diyos, at inyong Diyos.
Ang linaw eh. Do I have to explain that? Ano sabi ni Jesus Christ? Aakyat ako sa aking Ama. Hindi niya sinabing, Ama ko lang yun. Hindi. At inyong Ama. Aking Diyos. Aba, may Diyos pala siya. Kaya hindi siya Diyos eh. At inyong Diyos. Oh. Una, mali that Jesus Christ claimed to be Son of God. Wala pong mababasang ganyan. Mali na pag sinabing Son of God ay Diyos na. Sabi ni Kristo, blessed are the peacemaker, or they shall be called the children of God. At walang sinabi si Jesus, ako'y Diyos, sambahin ninyo ako. I am God, worship me. No. Wala pong ganon. Wala pong ganon.
No way! You cannot deceive this world by trying to spread the lies about Prophet Muhammad.